The ToolShed battery operated backpack sprayer. No more manually pumping your backpack sprayer. Let the built-in battery operated pump do all the work. A versatile and simple way to spray weed killer, fertilizer, or even water the plants around your home and land. Featuring 3 adjustable spray heads for many different applications, including a large shower style head for a strong flow that is adjustable to a fine mist, ideal for covering large areas. A dual head nozzle, ideal for getting in and around tricky spots, and a general purpose spray head. This unit features a variable flow adjustment from 0.16 to 1.7 litres a minute and pressure options from 21 to 58 psi. Also included is a heavy duty stainless steel wand adjustable from 500 to 900 millimeters. Simply charge the unit, fill the 18 litre tank with your desired spray, attach the nozzle you require, and you're good to go for up to 9 hours of spraying. Take the hassle out of those spraying jobs with the ToolShed battery operated backpack sprayer.
And the ToolShed.